Now, investing in real estate, no matter how bullish or bearish the sentiment is, never loses its sheen. No matter how attractive gold and equities may seem, the appeal of real estate returns lies in the fact that markets in India tend to mostly go up. So this festive season, let's get you a snapshot of the top Indian cities that rate the best in terms of stability and investment returns. Each festive season, realtors hope the property markets will see big festive buying and a revival of demand. And the expectation this Diwali is even greater given the long-drawn slump the market has seen over the last 2 years. And why not? Diwali, after all, is a festival signifying the triumph of hope over despair. So wherever there is hope, there is always an opportunity to tap. So if real estate is on your mind this Diwali, then let's check out India's best performing property markets. Starting up north, we have identified the best performing property markets across the 5 realty hubs of Delhi NCR. Gurgaon's top 2 locations for real estate investments are the Dwarka Expressway and the Golf Course Extension Road. Noida Expressway's upcoming stretch of sectors remains the best place for returns in the Noida region. And if you still want to consider Greater Noida, then data shows that Yamuna Expressway will be a better bet. While in Ghaziabad, the top 2 locations are Indirapuram and Vasundhara. Greater Faridabad or Naher Par is also NCR's most lucrative affordable housing market. Out of these, the Dwarka Expressway corridor stretching across Gurgaon sectors 99 to 115 comes out tops, giving 18% annualized returns since the last 3 years. Given the infrastructure delays in this market, is Dwarka Expressway worth its hype?
Even though infrastructure bottlenecks have caused issues and delays, customers have found that there is a lot of interest in people buying even in the resale market. And this is what allows appreciation to come through.
In search of India's best property markets, we now head to the Mumbai metropolitan region. Mulund and Andheri have been generating the best returns in Mumbai. To invest in Thane, Ghodbunder Road and Kalyan West have performed the best. The returns in Navi Mumbai's developing nodes Kharghar and Kamote are upwards of 11% annually. And Pune's IT industry-driven locations like Hadapsar and Hinjewadi have given solid returns. Market experts share their outlook for MMR's property markets. Is there more upside in store for investors?
So the local government will, once they come into play, if that's again a stable government, then I would assume that once the policy there is definitely far more stable, the real estate scenario will be far more stable in times to come.
Away from the choppy and uncertain investment markets of NCR and the West, markets down south are generally considered reliable, giving steady returns. To begin with, in Bangalore, KR Puram and Marathahalli have grown investors' realty purchases to solid highs. In the city of Hyderabad, Madhapur and Kukatpalli have the IT industry driving its returns on investments. And in Chennai, Porur and Perambakam stand neck to neck in price appreciation.
Actually, to be frank, the supply and demand in Marathahalli is equated now. You don't have too much of vacant stock available, so it shows that the trend is very good, and there are people lapping up apartments in this area. KR Puram has a little bit of issues on the connectivity in terms of traffic population, so you do have a little inventory available there, but between the two, Marathahalli is something that people will lap it up faster. Apart from Porur and Perambakam, I would still be very bullish on ECR as one market, because a lot of the aspiration home buying is happening on the ECR front. You have the earlier part of GST, that's up to Tambaram, which are good areas, Pallavaram, the 200 feet radial road, and Ananagar to Punamalli.
Be it Gurgaon, Bangalore or Pune, the thumb rule of investing in real estate to make your money grow is to do your homework. Study the past record of the developer, go ahead with the booking only after you see all approvals in place, and get your buyer-seller agreement vetted by a legal expert. Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.